Assalamualaikum and good morning. First, my name is Putri Nudiana BNJ and my number battery is CN200262. And today we like to do our practical test, which is couple tank. And the objective of the experiment is to calibrate the circuit of the couple tank apparatus, namely in the input actuator and the output sensor. For the equipment, apparatus is we use CE105 as a couple tank, and this is the controller CE1020.
Very good morning to our lecturer. My name is Kugan, son of Sukramuti, entry number of CN20015. Today I will be continuing on the procedure for this experiment, which is for the case 1. Meanwhile, I will be connecting all the wires and be ready. Okay, now we will continue on the procedure for this experiment, which is to study the case first. So now, as you guys can see, this is the wiring setup for the case 1, which is connected here as well to the output part. Okay, next, now we reduce the potentiometer to 0 for the start. This is the potentiometer, and now we gradually increase this. So for example, when our table is required at the reading of 400, let's say, so what happens is that when the water level reach, for example, at 40, and then we have to look back at the voltage here, the reading of the voltage here. So now for our experiment, what we did is that we have the readings required, and as you guys can see, the flow rate here is in centimeter cubic, but in the tank here the reading is at meter cubic per minute. So that is why, for example, when the table says 400, this would be 40. So when the water level reaches at 40, we have to quickly look at the reading of the voltage again. So the experiment will start with when we fill up the fluid tank once it's fully reached, and then we have to reverse the process again for the decreasing pump supply.
So for the observation for this part 1 result, kalau kita perhatikan, bila flow fluid dia meningkat, value dia pun akan bertambah, dan bila fluid tu dikurangkan, reduce, nilai value tu pun akan berkurang. Jadi pada takat 400 flow rate ni, perbezaan increase pump supply dengan decrease pump supply tak jauh beza.
Okay, now for the conclusion, as you can see, study of fluid is very important because it can be used in various of engineering field, and for this experiment especially, we can examine and control the level of liquid in 1 or 2 tank system by varying the flow rate of the circulating pump. So now thanks again to CE105 for the couple tank and also for the controller, and we have a better understanding on the flow rate and the types of flow rates that is required and necessary for a certain job to be done. With that being said, me, myself and my teammate Viviana would like to say thank you and have a great day.